Leather shoes are worn around the world every day. But have you ever wondered how animal skin is transformed into durable
Begins
footwear?
as animal hide, mostly from cows, buffaloes, goats, and sheep. These hides are a byproduct of the meat industry.
To prevent decay, hides are preserved immediately using heavy salting or chilling.
At the tannery, hides are soaked in water to remove dirt, blood, and excess salt. Chemicals loosen hair and flesh, leaving clean skin behind. Enzymes soften the fibers, making the leather flexible and strong.
Converts fragile skin into long-lasting leather. Chrome tanning is fast, while vegetable tanning is natural and traditional.
Leather is dyed, coated, and graded based on quality and thickness. Leather is cut into precise shapes for the shoe upper, lining, and tongue.
Cut pieces are stitched together to form the upper part of the shoe.
The stitched upper is stretched over a foot-shaped mold called a last.
Soles are made separately from leather, rubber, or synthetu materials. The sole is attached using glue, stitching, or injection methods.
Each pair is cleaned, polished, and prepared for inspection.
Only shoes that meet quality standards move forward.
Finally, shoes are packaged and shipped to stores worldwide. From animal hide to stylish footwear, Dylan Fupen, a journey of craftsmanship and precision.